The overall goal of this protocol is to establish a methodology for assessing the effects of music listening on psychobiological stress in daily life.
This method enables us to answer key questions in stress research, such as how music may exert its effects on our mind and body, and how to use music as a means of stress reduction in daily life.
Subjects being investigated in their daily life without experimental manipulation constitutes the main advantage of this technique.
Generally, individuals new to this method will struggle because a thorough training of subjects on the collection of data in daily life is required.
Begin by pre-labeling the saliva vials by using a simple unique code for each vial. Then weigh the saliva vials to later determine an accurate salivary flow rate. Split the samples according to the day of sampling by placing all samples for one day and the corresponding number of straws into a small plastic bag. Begin by conducting an introductory session with the subject to familiarize them with the electronic diary device, questionnaires, and saliva collection method. Provide the subject with a mobile electronic diary device with which they can complete questionnaires during the ambulatory assessment. Instruct the subject on how to handle and use all functions in the electronic diary device that relate to the study, such as how to turn it on.